Hey guys, 𝐸⁻𝐸 here, and I'm actually excited to be here because I get to actually talk to you about something that I'm super excited about. I'm always excited to talk about, and that is instant pay. So the program that I'm talking about is called $25 1UP, and $25 1UP is an awesome program, okay? It helps put money in your pocket, and we're not talking about extra money because that's not what I'm trying to help people do. I'm not trying to help people make extra money. I'm trying to help people make life-changing money. Life-changing money that they could pay, extra bills. Life-changing money that they would have extra to be able to, do more, not just penny commissions. And that's what I love about this program, is that the commission structure is such that you can make life-changing commissions. Okay, so here's the thing with this program. If you're not sure what instant pay is, let me kind of clarify what that is. An instant pay program is where when you make a commission, you're paid instantly to your PayPal, which means every day is payday. You don't have to wait. For a lot of these companies, you have to wait to a certain payday. Well, not so with this company. And stay tuned because I'm going to show you my proof and you're going to be like amazed. Okay, I have heartburn. But anyways, so that's what I love about this program. The other thing that I love about this is that I am also a marketer. Okay, I'm an online marketer. I have other businesses. Okay, this is because it's instant pay. It helps support my other businesses because I have instant commissions coming in. And this also solves another problem that marketers have online, which is with a lot of other businesses, you're taught buy traffic, whether that be solo ads, Facebook ads, Craigslist ads, whatever, right? But then where do you get the money from? Where do you get the money to be able to do that? All right. So with this, I don't know what my screen is doing, but with this, you're able to have instant commissions coming in, and you can pull that anytime and then go ahead and leverage up and use that money for traffic for your other businesses. Okay. Now, before I even start getting into proof, which I'm not sure what my computer is doing. I think it's processing something. I wanted to say this. What I have begun to do, and it's been going wonderful for myself and people who align with me, is when people partner with me at the platinum level, because that's the life-changing income. There's two levels, okay? Gold and platinum. Gold, you pay $25 one time plus a $10, so $35 total, and boom, you have a commission structure in a box. You can start earning $25 over and over again, right? The second level, which is the level that everyone needs to go in at, is the platinum level. Okay, not could BS you and be like, oh yeah, yeah, do 25. But guys, I'm not talking about extra income. We're talking about life-changing income. So imagine getting $125 commissions over and over again. That's life-changing income. Okay, and imagine in one day getting that. Okay, now here's how I position you to be able to do that. When you come in at the platinum level, I am going to give you access to my boot camp. Okay, you're going to get the first level of my boot camp, where I reverse engineer live for you what I do on a daily basis so that you can see it. You can see what I do. And I'm going to give you my blueprint. And you want that, because that blueprint shows you how to do what I do so that you can do it and you can duplicate multiple, $100 days, $200 days, so on and so forth. Okay, now I make no income guarantees because you have to actually put in the work. Like, this isn't like a cash machine where you just sit back and you get the money, but it's simple work, and it's a Facebook only strategy, right? I only use my Facebook profile for this, okay, which is wonderful. I'm not sure what my computer is doing, so give me a second. I'm going to pause this real quick and come right back. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So my computer was doing something crazy. So this is my back office, guys. In the program, again, it's called $25 1UP. And I already said, it's instant pay. You only have to pay one time. So unlike, network marketing companies, MLMs, where every month you're having something auto shipped out of your bank account, you don't have to do that with this. So here's the thing. At the platinum level, you pay $125 one time plus the $10 admin fee, and boom, you can start earning that over and over again. Now let me show you the power of this. So I'm going to go to my account. So let's click on my business and give it 1 second because it is still loading. So just give it a second. Screen share. Come on now. Okay, so while that's loading, let me just tell you what's happened in the last couple of days, because I don't know what it's doing. But alright guys, this screencast-o-matic, it just makes me want to just smack them. But anyways, this is my back office. I'm moving myself around for a second. I'm gonna try to put myself here. Anyways, this is my back office. As you can see, today is the 17th of July, and I made $150 this morning. And in the last 7 days, I made $1,125 and $1,800 in the last 30 days. Okay, so again, I already talked about being positioned at that platinum level. So here's what it can do for you. Okay, so look, if you'll just see the consistency of $125 commissions coming in. And that's what I love about the program. I'm not going to really make this video too long because I can scroll. But that's it. Okay, and again, I'm using the Facebook strategy. I've been able to do this. All right, so over here you can see the $100 and the $25 coming in. So here's what I'm going to do for you. What I want you to do to get more information is to simply check out the comment section below. If you're watching this on Facebook, what I want you to do is get in my inbox. All right, if you're on YouTube, check out the comment section below. And remember, when you position yourself at platinum, you get my access to my boot camp and my winning strategy, so you can duplicate the same. All right, here's to winning online. Get in with this one pay program. You cannot lose. Like, it's one-time investment. Like, it's just silly to not invest in yourself so that you can make money online. All right, bye guys.